In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress. If you want to improve your site's search engine optimization directly from your WordPress dashboard, Yoast SEO is one of the most popular tools you can use. It helps with things like page titles, meta descriptions, readability, and overall SEO guidance while you create content. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to install it quickly and easily. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the admin area of your site so you can access settings and plugin options. This is where you manage your posts, pages, appearance, and all the tools connected to your website. Once you're inside WordPress, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. This section is where you can view the plugins that are already installed on your site, add new ones, and manage updates. If you're new to WordPress, plugins are basically add-ons that give your website extra features without needing custom code. After opening the plugins area, search for Yoast SEO. Use the search field to type in the plugin name clearly, so WordPress can pull up the correct result. Searching by the exact name makes it easier to find the official plugin and avoid confusion with similarly named tools. When you see Yoast SEO in the results, click on it. This lets you open the plugins listing and confirm that you've selected the right one. It's always a good idea to quickly check the plugin name and branding before installing anything, just to make sure you're choosing the intended plugin. Next, click Upgrade and Activate. This will begin the installation process and then turn the plugin on for your site. Depending on your WordPress setup, the wording on the button may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Install Yoast SEO and activate Audit so it's ready to use. Once activation is complete, Yoast SEO will be added to your WordPress site, and you can begin configuring it from your dashboard. From there, you'll be able to start optimizing your content and setting up key SEO features. If this is your first time using Yoast, take a moment after installation to explore the plugin settings so you can get the most out of it. And that's it. That's how to install Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress.